beauty friends, Annie SEO. Welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen. In today's video, buttery, creamy caramel fudge. I'm going to show you how to make fudge with condensed milk and without using a thermometer. As we make the fudge together, I'm going to show you lots of tips and things to look out for so that you have perfect fudge every single time. I know you're going to enjoy this recipe, so thanks for watching. Let's get cooking. The first thing we'll do, as usual, is to measure out the 4 ingredients we need for today's fudge recipe. And if you're new to the channel, you can find the measurements in the description box under the video. Using condensed milk in this recipe makes it an easy way to make delicious fudge. And if you're interested in other recipes that use condensed milk, then you might want to check out 2 other flavoursome recipes, Banoffee Pie and Millionaire shortbread. And I'll leave links for these in the description below. On a medium to low heat, use a large non-stick thick base saucepan as this will help to distribute the heat. I also recommend using a sturdy wooden spoon. Once you can feel that the sugar is melted, set a timer for 10 minutes and stir continuously. If, like me, you don't have a candy thermometer, then an alternate way to check that your fudge is ready is to carefully drop a teaspoon of fudge into some cold water. If you can roll it into a soft ball between your fingertips, then it is ready. Take your pan off the heat and you are going to want to keep stirring for about another 10 minutes. As it cools down, it will begin to thicken up and you will feel that it's more difficult to stir. But just remember, you're burning calories and your reward will be to eat some delicious fudge at the end. As time passes, you'll notice that the fudge begins to lose its glossiness and you will see that it will pull away from the sides of the pan. These are indications that it's ready to empty out into your heat-proof dish lined with some baking paper. Today we're making just plain caramel fudge, but if you're wanting to add some nuts, raisins or chocolate chips, now would be a good time to mix them in before emptying it out into your dish to cool down. Tilt your dish so that the fudge runs into all of the corners and then use a spatula just to flatten the top. Once your fudge is in the dish, set it aside for about 30 minutes until it has cooled down to room temperature, at which time you can then cover it and place it in your fridge for a minimum of 2 hours, longer if possible, to completely set. This recipe will make quite a lot of fudge, so I like to cut it up and package up the nice pieces and give them away to friends and neighbours as gifts. You could also put this fudge inside of cookies or put it inside or on top of cheesecake. I have fond memories of visiting my grandparents and they would always have some fudge that we could eat as a treat. My favourite fudge flavour was always caramel, and I'd be interested to know, what is your favourite fudge flavour? I hope you enjoyed today's video for mouth-watering caramel fudge that's buttery and creamy, that just melts in your mouth, and the best part is you've seen in today's video, it's easy to make. As I always say, take this recipe now and have fun making and sharing it with friends and family. Have a great week and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless. Chop or cam the da.